In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Filmora app on your Android smartphone. So if you're having challenges with your app, maybe the app is not responding, or it can't open, or it keeps on crashing, let me show you how you can solve this challenge on your Android smartphone. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and access the app information, and you can simply do this through the app settings. So if you go to settings, then scroll down and look for apps. Then you'll see an option called manage apps. So this is the process on my Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. So this will go ahead and open all the apps we have on our smartphone. And from here, scroll down until you locate your app. And our app is here. Tap on it to open. And as you can see, we have the app information page here. Alternatively, the shortest way to access this page is to simply long press on your app. And then you'll see a page here called app info. Tap on it. And then it will still take you to the same page. So we are interested in clearing the app information. And if you come here under storage, you can see we have a lot of cached data. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because of accumulation of this cached data. Now, when you talk of cached data, we are simply talking of small files that the app stores when you interact with it. Now, these files are normally stored to enhance the performance of the app. However, the accumulation of this file might result to the app malfunctioning. So go ahead and tap on this clear data and then choose clear cache and tap OK. And at this point, you can see the cache data has been cleared. So go ahead and now restart your smartphone and then try opening it, and it should now start working fine. But should this not work, then you might want to go ahead and look for any update under Google Play Store. Now to do that, look for Play Store on your smartphone and then open it. Then go ahead and search for your app. And mine is here. Tap on it to open. Now, if there is any update, you'll see it here. Go ahead and update your app. Now, one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you're using the outdated version. So update to the latest version and then go ahead and open your app. And at this point now, it should start working fine. But should that not solve your problem, then go ahead and uninstall this app and then install it again afresh through Google Play Store. And at this point, everything should be solved and your app now should start running smoothly. But should this not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and contact Filmora and see if they have any challenge on their app from their end. So by following any of these methods, you should be able to troubleshoot and solve any problem with your Filmora app. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.